So today I'm going to show you how to use the button machine to make a button. Before you get started, you want to make sure that you have all four of your pieces. You're going to need the artwork that's already been cut into a circle. You're going to need one piece of plastic. Make sure you use your fingers to kind of separate any other pieces of plastic that might be stuck together. You're going to need one back piece, and you're going to need one shell. You also want to make sure that you separate those because sometimes those can get stuck together. So make sure you only have one of them. You're going to start on this side that is just a blank circle, not the side with the dot. There's a little number 1 carved into the blue part too to remind you that that's the first step. On that side, you're going to start by putting the metal shell in first. Then you're going to put the artwork on top. And the artwork needs to be going up and down facing you. So as you're looking at it, it should have the top at the top and the bottom at the bottom of the circle. Then you're going to get that clear piece of plastic and put the plastic on the very top. You're going to twirl that circle to the back. And as I'm pushing down with the handle, I want you to watch these little circles on the edge. You're going to push down and you're going to watch those circles go all the way to the back. You don't need to push extra hard, you just need to make sure that you push it down hard enough so that the circles go all the way to the back until they don't move anymore. Then you're going to lift it up, twirl your button machine back to the middle, and all of the pieces that used to be in here are now inside of the machine. So you want this to be empty when you lift it up that first time. The next step is to do the back, and you want to make sure that this little pin piece is laying flat. So if it's stuck up, then you need to wiggle it down until it's flat. The zigzag part is going to go on the bottom. So on the step 2 side, you want to make sure that the zigzag is at the bottom. You're going to set that in, and then you're going to twirl it to the back. And then again, you want to watch these circles on the edge. As you're pressing down the handle, you want to push, 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 push until those circles can't go any further back. And that's how you know that you're done. And then you're going to lift it up, and you will have a finished button ready to go. When you're working on making buttons, if you are worried that you did something wrong, or if you have a question about a step, please come and get me. I would much rather have you ask for help than for something to go wrong and for it to mess up the button or the machine.